William, hopefully your favorite videographer from Two Hats Publishing. I welcome you to another Two Hats special of community events. Let's look in and see what's really happening.
Oh, well, she likes to howl.
She likes to howl?
Yeah.
So you're going to howl for me?
Maya.
Hello.
Maya.
Hello, Maya. Hello, Maya. How old are you, Maya? Oh, you camera shy, huh? You're camera shy.
More like she's hot.
Oh, yes.
I'm probably not going to get it.
Hello, Maya.
It's nice to meet you.
It says all that nice water over there and you won't let me play in it.
Somewhere in, like in the shade, and we'll get a number so you guys can talk.
Now, if you ever watch TV or anything, all the dogs have a voice.
We're going to get numbers. We're going to
There's the puppy dog's voice.
What is your voice?
Huh?
Caitlin, you have to do the voice.
Oh gosh.
Come on, Christy.
Well, it's not that hard.
Wait, no, do I do
I don't
voice
ask
for
complicated questions.
There's her voice.
There's it is right there.
Oh, what you mad up? You don't like the camera now?
That's not the camera.
What do you see?
I see your doggy.
How old are you, puppy?
How old are you? Are you 5?
5 years old?
5.
years
About
old.
5.
What's your name, puppy?
Carmelita.
Mamalita? Oh, wow.
Can you say hi?
Want to say hi? No, I don't think she likes the camera. we lost love at first sight. The camera didn't want to run fast.
You go. Over here.
Oh, we got a profile shot here. You need to meet the dog's voice. What's your name, puppy dog?
Hugo the Boss,
Wow.
aka the mayor of Main Street.
Oh, wow. Look at that. You were right up there. How old are you, puppy?
13.
13. No wonder you're so settled in.
13 going on 2.
He said, you won't let me play in all that water. Because I'm so hot.
He needs a margarita. We're about to go hit up the Iron Cactus patio.
Great segue for advertising. All right.
Oh, I'm not trying to advertise for them. I'm not getting paid to do that.
Too late.
Oh well.
This is William, hopefully your favorite videographer from Two Hats Publishing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please leave comments below or like, follow, or subscribe to us and get notices of all our videos. We love it, even when you call.